DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you know what time it is now. The Dan in the lab, you don't know some reaction there. You see me? And you see what we are doing. Today we back. We in Florida. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we in Florida. Yeah, our hometown right. I know. I deal with some local rappers. You know what I'm saying? I know I've reacted to much local Florida rappers on this channel. But yeah, I do listen to hip hop. You see me? Hip hop and rap. And right now, one of the artists, and one of the young and upcoming artists in Florida is Folio. You see me? Folio just died the other day, and also his app, which is Yungeen Ace, which is what we're gonna react to today. You see me? I say so. Folio was a rapper in Florida. He died yesterday on his birthday. R.I.P. to the, R.I.P. to the young soldier. But his biggest app was Yungeen Ace. And Yungeen Ace apparently didn't waste no time to drop a diss track towards Folio. And Folio was known for like dissing his apps, making fun of, for dissing his app for dying on his birthday. That's one of the most known thing Folio is known for. You see what I'm saying? But him app, Yungeen Ace decided to say, yo, you gonna capitalize on this, take advantage of this situation. And he dropped this track less than a few hours after the news that Folio died. So now all of the vibes, we'll check it out. Yungeen Ace, do it. Let's get it here.
These niggas be trying and these niggas be hey, fuck you saying? Hey.
Florida have some mad artists, some mad talented artists, you know what I'm saying? Come on.
Let me go. Every car, man, these bitches tenant. Hey, solos and random choppers and killers in it. Catch his ass and do his ass, you know he finished. Flip his ass and smoke his ass, we still on business.
Catch his ass and do his ass, know he finished. Come on, bro, come on.
Hey, solos and random choppers and killers in it.
Stolen random choppers and killers in it.
His ass, you know he finished. Flip his ass and smoke his ass, we still on business. All my niggas get at with Jambisco, we all in trap. Spin the block, we blitz and shit, it's like we playing mad. Mad as fucker through the drink away, got a bite on this bitch.
Spin the block, blitz and shit like we playing mad, nigga. God damn. Come on.
All my niggas get at with Jambisco, we all in trap. Spin the block, we blitz and shit, it's like we playing mad. Mad as fucker through the drink away, got a bite on this, been through it. Only call him by his name, I call him niggas little do it.
I don't call him by name, I call these niggas little do it. Yeah, because they gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Just called the phone, said they got the low, I told him do it. I ain't sparing shit, it's on site.
Bro, what the yo? Yeah, I ain't heard that. Man said a little bit call my phone. Said they got the low. I told him do it.
Got a bite on this, been through it. Only call him by his name, I call him niggas little do it. Bitches called the phone, said they got the low, I told him do it. I ain't sparing shit.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord, y'all need Jesus in your life, bro. Come on.
It is on site if we into it. He with his baby, do it. He with his bitch, do it. With his mama, do it. His money make a nigga do it.
Damn, he with his baby. Do it, nigga. He with his bitch. Do it, nigga. He with his mama. They don't care. You see me? They don't care who you with. They gonna do it.
We around this bitch is spinning. Any day this week, I bet they come up missing. Nigga better stay on point. You better not be out here slipping. Hey, let's call. Let me mix this bitch up here.
Hey. Every day this week, best you niggas go up missing, bro. This shit ain't over, dog. Yo.
Nigga be trying to shit. Nigga be down and shit. Niggas be down. Tell her gon' free that hoe for till we gon' blame the bitch. Yeah, it was mad little bro. We don't need much play that shit. I was be laughing, this making it diss on this thing. They know they was bearing the bitch. We be laughing, nigga, but this shit serious. When we in the city,
we be laughing, nigga, but this shit serious, bro. Yeah, my nigga, we be laughing at him, but this shit serious.
We all them on mirrors. Fuck them niggas in packs and niggas ain't really on shit. They gonna go to my park, take a picture and shit. Like, what, nigga? Stand on business when you see me. Shots fired, he paralyzed, he couldn't walk, he couldn't believe it.
Damn, shots. Yeah, there's so much shit that being thrown in this damn video, bro. So much shit, bro. It's crazy.
Trouble. You in trouble. This close, you a lucky motherfucker. Hey, I'm fully this bitch stutter. Hey, you niggas better watch your move, hold on.
Hold on, this bitch stutter, nigga. Yeah, y'all don't play. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I watch what I say, fuck that. Hold on. Fuck it, go ahead. Hey, I'm going back in, knock his niggas down like they a bowling pin. Devil child, God know I sin. He hide in the house, we coming in.
Yeah.
Niggas know we skin for real.
You could be hiding in the house, nigga. We coming in that bitch. We gonna kick that door down. Come on.
The way they die, niggas know we kid for real. Ain't no room for dying. Hey, blood calling. Get back to the money. Souls calling. Pack gone, gotta put the bread on something. Every call, man, these bitches 10.
Yo, so it's a car. I really gotta put a pack on something.
Hey, souls and rental choppers and killers in it. Catch his ass and do his ass, you know he finished. Flip his ass and smoke his ass, we stand on business. All my niggas
Flip
get
his ass and smoke his ass. We stand on business, nigga.
we jump the car, we all in trap. Spin the block, we bitch the shit, we was like we playing Madden. Mad as fucker through the Drake away, got a bite on us, been through it. Only call him by his name, I call the niggas look do it. Bitches call the phone, said they got the low, I
Tell them do it. Call the phone, said they got the low. So it's a bitch. You know what I'm saying? Whatever happens, it's a bitch. You know what I'm saying? Bitches call the phone and drop the low. You know what I'm saying?
Shit his own side if we into it. He with his baby, do it. He with his bitch, do it. With his mama, do it. All this money make a nigga do it. Do it. Fuck you saying, nigga.
That's crazy. It's crazy work right here, nigga. Yeah, man, this is remind me of Plumpy. When Plumpy drop it this bumbo clad came on the dog. When dog then drop out, man, and see him there blood clad. Think they drop Bram, man. Yo, this could remind me of the war in Trinidad. You see what I'm saying, gang? Yeah, man, gang. Crazy situation. These young niggas out here wilding, bro. They beefing and killing each other over some crazy shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dog. Bunch of, you know, it's basically a bunch of niggas, you know, with that's a bunch of sensitive niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? No this to that, man. I don't want no beef and all these niggas, but all these niggas is just sensitive. This nigga said something about me. That nigga said I want to kill him. And this some bunch of, you know? Yo, it's crazy, man. But yeah, man, gang, we know anything about the 199 situation. You see me? Let me know anything about the whole situation. Drop your comments in the comment section. If you like to show the artists and love and support, don't know, so Jambisco down. Send him, man. Hey. It's tragic when shit like this happen, huh? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you be getting some crazy diss tracks and shit, but the situation's still sad overall, bro. These niggas killing each other over nothing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But hey, what can you do, man? It's a crazy situation. These niggas need to, you know? I don't know what I can do. You know, there's no, I don't know what can I do to bring peace. There's no like solving this shit, resolve it. They gotta resolve this on their own. But these, you know what I'm saying? But this is what's going on, you know what I'm saying? So RIP to all who lost their life in the whole situation and the whole, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, condolences to their family. But yo, y'all young niggas need made a change, bro. Y'all need God in y'all life, bro. Y'all tripping. You know what I mean? I say you wanna kill each other over little or nothing because he said that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heartless out here, but hey. You already know what time it is, gang. Drop your comments in the comment section if you like to show the artist and love and support. Don't know making news of Jambisco down center. Drop your requests, drop your comments. Y'all gonna get y'all shout out. You already know what time it is. Latest reaction channel on YouTube. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.